Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Atmosfx Holiday Digital Decoration Kit includes HD projector, 48x 72-inch holographic projection screen, 16 video effects for Halloween, Christmas and more. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. The Holiday Digital Decoration Kit includes all of following items: 1280x 720 mini LED projector with sound and remote, Atmosfx Holiday Special Effects video on USB stick, with 20 different scenes. Quantity 1, 48x 72-inch Reaper Brothers translucent rear projection screen formatted for your window or door that creates a perfect 3D effect, includes mounting tabs. This Atmosfx video is a quick and easy way to decorate for the holidays including Halloween, Christmas, Easter, Thanksgiving, birthdays, and more. These video effects will turn any environment or surface into a thrilling and magical experience. The videos have continuous looping for unlimited runtime, which is perfect for any event. Setup is so easy. Simply hang the rear projection screen in your doorway or window, insert the USB stick into the projector, put projector 6 feet from your doorway or window, press play. Then watch from outside and you can see holiday characters moving around in your house. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.